Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to solve this interesting brain test. We need to complete this numeric series. We have 1, 8, 3, 10, 5 and we need to find the last number. How can we do this? On the bottom we have a lot of options. We have 18, 12, 10 and 22. So right now I suggest you to pause the video and try to solve it by yourself, and of course after 30 seconds we will check our answer and it will be more interesting for you to check our answer. Maybe you will have another pattern between all this number. It's also really interesting to read about it. So choose one option and write your option in a comment. So let's try to solve it. So take a look. We have 1, 8, 3, 10 and 5. How can we find the pattern between all of these numbers? So there's like no obvious pattern between 1, 8, 3, 10. This is like a random number, so there is no like a pattern between all of these numbers. But right now I see really interesting pattern because, for example, it will be our first number, this will be our second number, this is our third number, this is our fourth number, this is our fifth and sixth number. So we have six number right here in this numeric series. So as you can see, I see a really interesting pattern between 1, third and fifth number, because we need to add 2 to this one to get 3, and as well we need to add 2 to this 3 to get 5. So I see this pattern right now between odd numbers 1, 3 and 5. And moreover, if you look closely to this, we will have the same situation with even numbers. So second and fourth, we need to add 2 to this 8 to get 10. So I need to add 2 between even numbers. So it's not hard to see that we are talking right now about the next pattern. So odd numbers we add 2 and to even numbers we add 2. But our numeric series with odd numbers starts with 1. So we will have 1, 3, 5. And the next, after this box, we will have, of course, 7. But if we are talking about this number starts with 8. So 8, 10, and right here, of course, we need to add 2, the same, to add 2 to get this box in the end. So our answer will be 10 plus 2 will be 12. So what about you? What the pattern do you find with this number? Write, of course, your pattern in a comment. It will be really interesting to read about it. Of course, if you have another pattern, it will be really good. My option is option B. What about you? Maybe you find another pattern. It's also really interesting to read about it. And of course, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next videos.